Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Find My on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. First, go to Settings, then go to your Apple account, click on the top on the Apple account, then Find My iPhone, and then you can disable Find My iPhone, so this device won't show up in the Find My network. And now you need to enter the password to your Apple account. I'm gonna do it off camera. And if the password was entered correctly, then it will turn off Find My iPhone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.